Hey, hello everyone. So yes, a quick update on what I'm going to do right now. Okay, I will not tell the time because I know it's really late to start the studies. But okay, today I'm going to start with doing one important task for today, which I haven't done, and I should have done this beforehand, right? So today I'm going to start with a schedule to be made for every day, right? So I'm just going to tear this out, right, and start with a fresh schedule. Okay, so okay, this is something very inspirational. Let's just cut back. Okay, so I just like to note some inspirational things so that while doing something, right, it comes to my mind. Okay, as well as this one is one of my favorites. It's even in my screen of my mobile. Right, now let's start with a basic, or you can say normal period, or you can say, if I put it in proper words, data, or not data but exactly schedule. Okay, I need a rough paper. So these are a lot of rough papers lying around, and you need to check those. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do is I'm going to find out a perfect schedule for me, which I'm trying for days. Right, I'm not getting a perfect schedule for me, but yes, I'm trying that. Okay, so the first thing I need is a proper time for everything. Right, I need to schedule a lot of things, and after proper time I would also require work allocated. Okay, so I'm just going to jot down or write down all the stuff I need to do. Okay, so let's start with simple ones. Right, I need to take classes of an academy. Okay, that is the top priority. Then YouTube, that two of three channels: learning to learn, boss lady, study vlog. Right, then I need to prepare for my own GRF. Okay, I need to reply to the comments of this. Okay, as well as I would require to start certain other stuff. Okay, so keeping these things in priority, and my household chores, housework, I need certain time fixed. Okay, so this would be my rough schedule. Right, and I'll try to follow it for at least 1 week, means 7 days. So that is starting from tomorrow as on Monday, and this will go till next Sunday, so that I can able to understand कि this will work or not. Okay, तो ये एक तरीका होता है, ट्रैक होता है रखने का. इससे क्या होता है कि आप समझ सकते हो कि आप सही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हो या नहीं. कोई भी चीज़ एक हफ्ते के लिए करके देखो और सब कुछ स्मूथ जा रहा है तो यू कैन एक्सटेंड दैट, और अगर स्मूथ नहीं जा रहा है यू नीड टू चेंज अ बिट. राइट, so I will be really realistic. Right, I will not be, you can say, anything non realistic. ठीक है, तो let's start with the basics. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to try this for 1 week, right? And if we have certain times in between, we can more have an improvement, right? So yes, yesterday I did something on research, and I was actually lagging behind on each and every topic. Okay, so I thought just start it again, right? So yes, research objectives and okay, types of research. I've been doing this for like almost 4 days, right? And I was not able to complete. So this is a very stupid thing to do certain same thing again and again, right? So I'm just going to switch off that thing called research types. I'm just going to slip it side, and I am going to start with certain thing very simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with communication, because that is really damn easy. Okay, and I made certain mistakes, so I'm just going to start with communication for time being. Okay, so we have communication here. I'm going to start this one. Okay, every time I start a new chapter, I do not complete the old one. I do agree, but yes, this is what I'm going to do, because this is wasting a lot of my time, right? And right now I don't have the resources to work on this, so I'll work on starting now. I'll work on a thing called communication. So communication would be easy for me, and I am thinking I'll be able to crack it more than any other subject, right? So I'm just going to start and jot down something very important, right? So I just need a pen properly. Okay, and communication. The first thing I do for any particular subject is understand the PYQs, what is within the syllabus and what is outside the syllabus. So communication, right? And in Harpreet Kaur, I think I can get the previous year papers, right? This is from November 2017. Okay, so proximy, okay, and okay. So if I talk about okay, so if we are doing about November 2017, right? So okay, proximies is in our syllabus, so yes, this will include, right? And the spirital audio reproduction in the classroom can be reduced to the students. So this is somewhat out of the syllabus. Okay, we have one question. The classroom communication should essentially be, okay, that is simple. The communication begins with the presentation of, okay, the communication is the classroom is probably the message can be enhanced by, okay, classroom communication. So there were 5 questions, out of which one was out of syllabus, that is related to spirital audio. SPATIAL audio. Okay, now we have okay, January 2017. Okay, effective communication presuppose, okay, the verbal communication, okay, typical features of an information rich classroom, okay, expressive communication, okay, positive classroom communication is there in our syllabus. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions out of the syllabus, nothing. Internal and external factors affecting the communication, classroom communication referred as, okay, then a teacher in the classroom has immediate control over, okay, this is classroom communication words carry the classroom situation. Classroom communication non-verbal communication of classroom, okay, and basic effectives of learning. So we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, and all were from classroom communication. Almost 5 questions. Very important to note. Only classroom communication is asked if you see this in August 2016. Okay. Now if we go to July 2016. Okay. So we have the choice of communication partners is influenced by the factors of, okay, every communicator has to experience, okay. A teacher selects the best option, okay. Imagine you were working with the educational institution, equal status, okay, this is the types of communication in our syllabus. Identify the important elements of a teacher, classroom communication, barriers to effective communication, okay. So again, classroom communication are 2 questions asked, right? So we have 3 plus 3, 6 questions. None of us out of and classroom are 2 questions. Okay. Now December 2015, using a central point of classroom communication as a beginning of dynamic process. Okay, that is easy. The voice, aspects of voice, okay, this is also easy. Every type of communication is affected by, okay. Attitudes, most often teacher communication, the classroom communication. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 6 questions in the month of December 2015, right? And none of that were out of the syllabus. Effective communication can be treated as formal communication, okay, assertion and reasoning. Following are the characteristics of communication. Grapevine को और क्या बोलते हैं? Not a principle of effective communication, and communication is the the language is the what, okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 questions again from June 2015, right? So 6 questions, none out of syllabus, but we need to understand the latest questions, okay. So for the latest questions, I have KVS Madan. Let me search the communication, okay. If you can get the latest question answers. Miscellaneous classroom communication, okay, there are no previous year, so we can get in the last, I get. Okay, so these are the last year's papers of 2018, sorry. CBSE July 2018. So November 2017 के बाद वाला चाहिए था मुझे. Yes, July 2018. Okay, so we need to find the types asked. तो इसमें combined है. अलग अलग मिल जाते तो better रहता. I think in the answer set we can get. Yes, these are the 50 questions in the answers. Okay, these are the questions, these are the answers. Okay. Methods of lecture, judging, teaching, research, selective selection, effective communication. Okay. Principles of effective 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we are starting from 16. Question number 16 से हमें start करना पड़ेगा. Question number 16. Okay. Difference between acceptance and non-acceptance of certain stimuli in classroom communication. Okay. Initial message of the students' classroom communication. To communicate well in the classroom communication. Describing human communication process. Okay. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 questions out of which all the 4 questions were related to classroom communication. Okay, ये July 2018 का है. Let's try about July 2019 now. Okay, December 2018, sorry. December 2018. Okay, so communication, again classroom communication, empathy, classroom communication, computer assisted language learning called, the word haptics denotes, social media platform has created. So we have okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. 5 questions out of which none of that is out of syllabus. क्यों? Classroom communication 1, 2, yes, 2 questions of classroom communication. Classroom communication almost repeat हो रहा है, like in the recent years if we can see. 2017 वाला नोट नहीं किया मैंने, आई जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. 2017 interaction between teacher. Okay, one question, two questions, three questions. Okay, 3 questions from classroom communication. तो देख रहे हो एक पैटर्न मिल जा रहा है अपने को. क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर कमांड लेनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज जुलाई 2016 से लेके कंटिन्यूसली 2, 3, 4 क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड. दिसंबर को भी देख लेते हैं, सॉरी जनवरी 2017 को. जनवरी 2017 effective communication, verbal features of communication, expressive, positive, classroom communication. One question asked. Two questions asked, right? So yes, 2 questions are from classroom communication. ये आउट ऑफ द सिलेबस था, बाकी सब सिलेबस के अंदर है, ठीक है. ओके, ये हमने कर लिया दिसंबर 2018 का. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई नेक्स्ट वन, दैट शुड बी आर June 2019, I guess. Yes, June 2019. Okay, sample methods, teaching. Okay, comprehension के बाद usually पूछा जाता है. Okay. Elements of good classroom communication 1. Only one question. Okay, we have second question जो आगे पीछे पूछे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. effective listener भी है. So we have 1 question from communication 2, 3 questions. ओके, यहाँ पर दे रखा है टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड. ओके, 20 का क्वेश्चन है कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर, नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, राइट, फाइन. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four questions from communication, if I'm not wrong. Let me check that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions from communication. 5 questions. Okay, now let us understand which are out of the syllabus. Communication 17, 20. 17, question number 17. Which of the following is good classroom communication? 1, 70. Okay, 20. Second one, 24. Okay, 24 के बाद 23 और 26. 23. Okay, listener, various types of listeners. And 26. Which of the following principles of good communicator follow? Okay, so I can say classroom communication के वैसे तो 5 क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए. 5 क्वेश्चंस में से एक दो क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन के ऊपर है, ठीक है. सो 5 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ विच 2 क्वेश्चंस वेर फ्रॉम क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, नाउ अब जाते हैं दिसंबर 2019 में. लास्ट पेपर, लेटेस्ट वाला है. आंसर्स की से मिल जाएगा गेस. ये रहा दिसंबर 2019. ओके, दिस इज द आंसर की. ओके, इसमें नहीं दे रखा. सो लेट अस ट्राई टू फाइंड इट आफ्टर द रीडिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन. रीडिंग कम्प्रीहेंशन पीछे दे रखा है, तो कम्युनिकेशन के क्वेश्चन कहीं भी हो सकता है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. हॉस्पिटल नर्सेस, ये वो. ओके, एनकोड. ओके, एनकोडर डिकोडर इन कम्युनिकेशन, राइट. और कुछ पूछा नहीं है यहाँ पे, सैम्पलिंग पूछा है. एनकोडर डिकोडर 1 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. 2 क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन. 3, 4. आई गेस 4 क्वेश्चंस ही हैं, मगर फिर भी एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. बायोमास, वोल्केनो, रिसर्च. Okay, I don't think there are more than 4 questions. Okay, तो 4 क्वेश्चंस हम अज्यूम करते हैं. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर द मोस्ट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फीचर्स ऑफ एन आर्ग्यूमेंट. ओके, एडोलेंस लर्नर. सो दिस इज टीचिंग. 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, 4 questions. 4 questions out of which 4 questions पूछे गए, out of which classroom communication, right. So we have 4 out of 4. All these are related to classroom communication only. ओके, आप ये चेक कर लेना और देख लेना सही जा रहा है कि नहीं. सॉरी अबाउट द बैड हैंड राइटिंग. सो नवंबर 2017 से लेके एक्चुअली दिसंबर 2015, जून 2015 से लेके सो वी हैव लाइक हाउ मेनी अटेम्प्ट्स इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 अटेम्प्ट्स. 10 अटेम्प्ट्स का देखा है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड एंड क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन बार बार रिपीट होता है. एक्सेप्ट क्लासरूम कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स रिपीट नहीं होते. सो दिस इज द टॉपिक वी कैन नॉट मिस. ओके, सो ये फोकस हो गया. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस पेपर ओनली वन साइड बिकॉज पीछे छप जाता है एंड इट इज़ टोटली रूइंड. आई कैन नॉट यूज दिस. इफ आई यूज डिफरेंट पेन आई थिंक द रिजल्ट माइट बी सेम. इन पेन से तो ट्राई नहीं करना चाहिए मगर ओके, हम कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, it's the same, no difference, but okay, we are going to start with that, no issues. So let's start with communication. Communication will be far easier I think, क्योंकि उसमें मुझे इंटरेस्ट भी और ये जल्दी निपट जाता है. It will not take that much time, but yes, let's start with communication.